Bangga niya ba siya?
Hi guys,
Yan,
this is what I work today. I cut the metal.
Pag-in ka, ayun din.
After this, I will replace this metal for fabrication. This is my job as a body welder here in our company. Thank you guys. Good day everyone. Bye bye. God bless.